What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're doing great, hope you're having a great day so far, and welcome to this new video. On the markets, alright, your middle of the day market update, even though it's the evening where I'm from at least. If you're from the US, this is middle of the day, so we're going to be talking about the market, of course. What's going on? We're getting some bullish momentum after some big news we had in the afternoon. So what we'll do in this video is we'll talk about that news. Why was it bullish? What does it mean? Can it actually be the start of more bullish momentum? Then we will talk about what I expect from Bitcoin. As you can see, we had a big bullish breakout above 63,500. That's great. What does it mean? Can we actually rally higher? What's the next resistance level? How high can we get? Etc. And then lastly, which I always think is the most interesting part, I'll tell you some cryptos that I think are good to trade, or at least where there's more potential. So that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. So the news we got, and more news came in over the course of the day, but the major news we had today is, well, we also saw, by the way, that retail sales went down. So that's also positive for crypto. Because the main thing is about interest rates in the US, all right? What we want is we want lower interest rates. What needs to happen is the inflation rate needs to drop down. What needs to happen for that is bad economic data, all right? So retail sales being low is bullish because it means that it's more likely that inflation will drop down. Apart from that, we also actually had core inflation and normal inflation rate data. Was expected that would drop down a bit, and the news was as expected. And then the CPI, or the consumer price index, actually was lower than expected. So that's also bullish. So that kind of started the momentum. I also think that there was more to it. I mean, if you look at the order books, for example, you can see that there was a ton of liquidity building up around 63,500. Now, do I think this is some sort of a short squeeze? Could be, but usually a short squeezes the shorts and then we drop down. And that's not the case right now. Now we squeeze the shorts and we're still bullish. And you can also see that the momentum for Bitcoin right here is pretty good. All right, the last time we had momentum like this, technically was the 25th of April. And back then the price was obviously a little bit higher, because back then the price was right here at 66,000. And that's also the main level. All right, I am convinced that on the short term we are bullish. But ultimately, excuse me, got a big bullish breakout here as well. Or at least the candle is closing it in 8 minutes. So I assume that we will break out. So this is all good. But the thing is that this level right here around 66,000 is the main problem. Because ideally what we would want to see, if you go to the daily time frame, for example, is a breakout above that level between 66 and 67,000 to get back up to 69 and potentially even 71. And I think it's much too early to say that that's going to happen. I think it's most likely we'll get up a little bit more towards 66,000. But breaking above that, I don't know. We have to wait for the reaction, all right? Now, what's the case right now is that Bitcoin is fairly bullish. And then what you see is that the Bitcoin dominance is going up. So what could happen, and that's the main thing to watch if you really want to trade, is that the Bitcoin dominance starts to fall down. All right, if that happens, that's great, and you can trade altcoins. And now I will give you a list of the best altcoins I think you can trade. Some of them are very close to breaking out. Other ones have already broken out earlier today. So that list is NEAR. I think NEAR is very strong. Also has ties to AI, which is great. SAI got close to a bullish breakout above 52 cents. We still have to break above that. Pendle is about to break out. Stacks is very close to breaking out, but that's also going to be difficult. Render obviously is bullish, but NEAR and Render are kind of in the same boat. And then you also have, or at least I thought I had another one. No, that's it for now. I mean, there's more cryptos, like meme coins, I think can still do great. But those are really the main cryptos I think you need to watch for now. But like I said, the best circumstances to trade those is if the Bitcoin dominance falls down, and that's not the case yet. So still be careful, all right? Right now we look relatively bullish, but I also do think we need some more confirmation. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.